You see my allergies? That's Madison. Oh, wow. Wisconsin. Yeah, my allergies are severe here. But anyway, guys, I am about to show you the ultimate. I'm about to show you guys the ultimate wagon you ever possibly should own as a photographer, as someone traveling. Yes, I'm in Assassin's Creek today, but Panda Creek. But anyway, let me show you this wagon. Look at that bad boy. What's up, Mr. Walker? My dear friend, Mr. Walker from Texas. Mind you, he's a trooper. So I brought a new wagon. A better one. Take this out. I can use these as noise dampeners. Put it on the wall to bounce some of the echo that's in this room. Yeah, we can use this. Smart tip. And look at this wagon. Oh, wow. This is beefy. Guys, this is better than the last two versions of our wagon. I digress, but... Oh, yes, this one is so much beefier. Look at... Guys, are you looking at what I'm looking at right now? Sorry, my allergies. We just came back from Wisconsin. We went to Wisconsin yesterday. Had too much fun. Look at this wagon. Look at the wheels. Oh, wow. That is premium. Premium. Look. These are rubber tires. Actually, rubber tires. Oh, wow. This is much heavier. It's much heavier than the last two. Those last two were light. This is much better grip. Look at the quality. Look at that. Yeah, this is really built really well than the last one. Yes, I may have said this before. Check the old one. So, I'm giving this to Bob, so if he wants to use it. I'm letting him keep I might change the wheels, but it seems those wheels look pretty nice on there. I might just let Bob keep these wheels, and he can take them off and use it for something else, like electric scooter, right, Bob?
Hell yeah.
So these are electric wheel scooters, by the way. So keep that in mind. This is why he should take them off. If this gets broken anytime, take these off. These were $40 each. But you can see how this is much lighter. And it doesn't feel sturdy. It just feels like cheap aluminum. This here, Bob, check this out, Bob. This here feels so much freaking heavier. Much heavier. Oh, wow. And look at those wheels. Look at that. Look at the wheels. What's up, Egg? This is much beefier. So, Bob, pick that wagon up. Just lift it. Watch. Give you guys some emphasis on. Pick this. No, just grab it. It's pretty light, right?
Yeah.
Now pick that one up. Pick that one up. Watch this, guys.
It's a little bit heavier. It's not that much heavier.
It's heavier.
It's heavier.
Yeah. It's a little bit heavy. It's heavy.
The wheels look good though.
Yeah, they're actually rubber wheels.
Yeah.
Rubber wheels.
Good tires.
And look at this. Just this joint and these metals feel premium. Like this metal, you don't see this type of metal finish on the last two.
No, this is nicer than
this is much nicer.
Way nicer.
This is why I said I was going to let Bob keep the other wheels, even though I made an investment for those electric scooter wheels. But, guys, This thing is beefy. Okay, so how do you? So this one doesn't just open. You have to do something, I guess. Nope. What? This has a brake system too. Look at this. Oh wow. So guys, look at this. This has its own brake system. So if you clamp down on this, it would stop the back wheels. Oh wow, that's pretty. TMZ. This is what I got it from Amazon. As you guys can see, here's the box. But that is pretty fucking amazing. Let me just gotta open it. And it doesn't seem like to open like the other three. How do you open? We're trying to open it and we can't open it. Okay. Okay. Oh, okay, because it has like a little lock system on here. Oh, wow. It has a lock system. That's sick. Oh, yeah. This pattern is much thicker than the old one. The old one is thin and cheesy.
Oh shit. Oh my Panda.
Yeah. Look at this. It's got the handle. Oops. If you unleash this, the handle so you can push.
Oh dude.
You got the brake system here. Oh wow.
That was nice, man. Oh fuck yeah. Nice color, dude.
Panda. It's a panda color. Guys, this is pretty awesome. Sorry, my allergies, but look at this. You press down, brake. Press up. Oh wow. Look at those. Look at that. That just feels nicer than the last 3 wagons we had. Just feels so much nicer. It's so much better built. Much heavier and much more better soldering. As you can see, they soldered this. It's better. Yeah, this is way much better. Oh, wow. I think we finally found our winner. Guys, this is the Panda Photographer. Thank you guys for supporting. Guys, those 2 wagons you guys bought out of the donations and stuff from PayPal. But we made mistakes, including myself, and we got something that is so much better. Like, you see that, Bob?
Yeah, this is nice, dude.
That is really fucking nice wagon. I should buy another one and not let you keep that old one.
It's actually not that heavy too. Like,
yeah, now it's not heavy, but when you fold it, it gets heavy.
Right, but when it's just on 2
Yeah.
wheels, it's not bad.
It's strange. But that's matter for you.
Right?
But thank you guys. See ya.
Nice, dude.